Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into a crucial topic that many iPhone users may face at some point: decrypting iPhone data stored on a Windows PC if you have forgotten your password. We will explore some of the best third-party software options available to help you recover your data. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our tech tips and tricks. Segment 1: Introduction to the problem. Forgetting your iPhone password can be a frustrating experience, especially when you realize that your valuable data is locked away, whether it is photos, contacts, messages, or other important files. Being unable to access your data can cause significant stress. Fortunately, several third-party software solutions can help you decrypt and recover your data from an iPhone backup stored on your Windows PC. In this video, we will review the most effective options available. Segment 2: What to look for in a decryption software. Before we jump up into specific software recommendations, let us talk about what you should look for in a decryption tool. Here are some key features to consider. Number 1. Compatibility. Ensure the software is compatible with your iPhone model and iOS version. Number 2. Ease of use. Look for software with a user-friendly interface that doesn't require advanced technical skills. Number 3. Success rate. Check reviews and ratings to gauge the software's effectiveness in recovering data. 4. Security. Ensure the software is safe to use and doesn't compromise your data privacy. Number 5. Customer support. Opt for software that offers reliable customer support in case you encounter any issues. Segment 3. The Share for You key. First up on our list is the Share for You key. This software is well known for its ability to unlock iPhones and decrypt data from encrypted backups. Here's how it works. Number 1. Download and install. Start by downloading and installing the Share for You key on your Windows PC. Number 2. Connect your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable. Number 3. Select feature. Launch the software and select the Unlock iTunes Backup feature. Number 4. Scan backup. The software will scan your PC for available iTunes backups. Select the encrypted backup you want to decrypt. 5. Decrypt backup. Enter your previous password if you remember it, or use the software's decryption algorithm to unlock the backup. 6. Recover data. Once the backup is decrypted, you can access and recover your data. The Share for You key supports a wide range of data types, including photos, messages, contacts, and more. Share for You key stands out due to its simplicity and effectiveness. It is designed for users who might not be very tech-savvy but still need to recover their valuable data quickly and efficiently. With its intuitive interface, you do not need to be an expert to get your files back. Segment 4. iMovie Phone Rescue. Next, we have iMovie Phone Rescue, another powerful tool designed for data recovery and decryption. Here's how to use it. Number 1. Download and install. Download and install Phone Rescue on your Windows PC. Number 2. Connect your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the PC with a USB cable. Number 3. Launch software. Launch Phone Rescue and select the Recover from iTunes Backup option. Number 4. Select backup. Use the encrypted backup file from the list of available backups. Number 5. Decrypt backup. Enter your encryption password if known, or let Phone Rescue attempt to decrypt it. 6. Review and recover. Once decrypted, review the recoverable data and select the files you want to restore. iMovie Phone Rescue not only helps you recover lost data, but also fixes various iOS issues. It is a versatile tool that can come in handy for multiple scenarios. Its recovery rate is impressive, making it a reliable choice for those critical moments when you need your data back. Segment 5. Dr. Phone Data Recovery iOS. Dr. Phone Data Recovery by Wondershare is another excellent option for decrypting iPhone backup. Here is a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Download and install. Download Dr. Phone on your Windows PC and install it. Number 2. Connect your iPhone. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the PC. Number 3. Open software. Launch Dr. Phone and choose the data recovery option. Number 4. Select recovery mode. Use recover from iTunes backup file. Number 5. Use backup. Select the encrypted backup from the list provided by the software. Number 6. Decrypt and recover. Enter the backup password if you remember it. use the software's decryption feature to unlock it. Once decrypted, you can preview and recover your data. Dr. Phone is well regarded in the tech community for its robust functionality and high success rate. Besides recovering data from iTunes backups, it also offers other features like system repair and data transfer, making it a comprehensive tool for iPhone users. Segment 6. iMyPhone Debug. iMyPhone Debug is another reliable tool for decrypting and recovering data from iPhone backups. Here's how to use it. Number 1. Download and install. Download iMyPhone Debug app and install it on your Windows PC. Number 2. Connect your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the PC via USB. Number 3. Launch software. Open iMyPhone Debug and select Recover from iTunes Backup. Number 4. Select Backup. Use the encrypted backup from the list of detected backups. Number 5. Decrypt Backup. Enter the backup password if you remember it, or let the software attempt to decrypt it. Number 6. Preview and recover. Once the backup is decrypted, you can preview and recover your data, including photos, contacts, messages, and more. iMyPhone Debug is praised for its ease of use and high recovery rate. It is particularly useful for those who need to recover a variety of data types, from media files to app data. The software also provides a clear and straightforward process, making it accessible even for non-tech users. Segment 7. Teapot iOS Data Recovery. Lastly, we have Teapot iOS Data Recovery. This software is known for its user-friendly interface and high success rate. Here's how to use it. Number 1. Download and install. Download and install Teapot iOS Data Recovery on your Windows PC. Number 2. Connect your iPhone. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Number 3. Open software. Launch the software and choose Recover from iTunes Backup file. Number 4. Select Backup. Select the encrypted backup file from the available options. Number 5. Decrypt and recover. Enter the backup password or use the software's decryption tool. Once decrypted, you can preview and recover your data. Teapot iOS Data Recovery is a reliable choice for those who prioritize a user-friendly experience. Its straightforward interface makes the decryption and recovery process easy, even for users who may not have much technical experience. The software's high success rate ensures that you'll be able to recover your important data efficiently. Segment 8. Final thoughts. And there you have it, everyone. These are some of the best third-party software options for decrypting iPhone data stored on a Windows PC. Remember, always back up your data regularly and keep your password secure to avoid situations like these. It is worth noting that while these tools are incredibly useful, prevention is always better than cure. Make sure to regularly update your backups and consider using password managers to keep track of your password securely. This way, you will minimize the risk of losing access to your data. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we will be happy to help. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more insightful content on how to manage and protect your digital life. From data recovery to cybersecurity tips, we've got you covered. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.